For over 2 decades, the Boeing 777-200ER has been the backbone of American Airlines' long-haul fleet, flying millions of passengers across continents. But its era is coming to an end. With an average age of 22 years, rising maintenance costs, and older engines consuming more fuel, the 777-200ER is no longer the most economical choice. Major overhauls can exceed $30 million per aircraft, making modern replacements like the Boeing 787-9 and Airbus A321XLR far more efficient. American is planning a phased retirement through 2032. The 787s will replace these workhorses on transatlantic, Latin American, and trans-Pacific routes, offering quieter cabins, better fuel efficiency, and enhanced passenger comfort. The 777-200ER may be retiring, but its legacy of connecting continents will never be forgotten. A new era of long-haul travel is on the horizon.